In this video, I'm going to be revealing a new binary options trading engine that I've been working on developing, coding, that analyzes the markets and recommends binary options trades. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today, I've developed a engine, a trading engine for binary options called Binary Pulse. I've been working on this trading engine for a few weeks. I have over 15 years trading binary options, and I've put together a very special trading bot that helps you to get signals to trade on your binary options accounts. Okay, so what you're looking at here is the user interface I've developed here, and the bot has several assets available to trade. If you look here at the menu here, the drop down menu to the left where I'm looking at, the the bot trades major currency pairs, major forex currency pairs: Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. In addition to, it also trades crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Ton Coin. In addition to that, I also have programmed the bot to trade major stocks, including Apple, Microsoft, Meta. The stock ticker symbols are here: McDonald's, FedEx, Intel, JP Morgan, Chase, Cisco, Palantir, and so forth. Okay, so the bot has quite a few assets available to trade. Now, what I've also done here is I've added an auto trading feature in case your platform allows you to connect to these bots to trade for you. So I've incorporated four binary options brokers. They're Deriv, IQ Option, Pocket Option, and Quotex. But when it does generate a signal, it's going to generate a high probability signal for us. Okay, so if you continue to look here, I have the price feeds. It utilizes WebSocket layers to generate the price feed for us. So we're talking live price feeds, including TradingView, Binance, and the Yahoo price feed. Also, I wanted to mention that this bot only trades the live markets. It does not trade OTCs, over the counter assets, like that are commonly seen on Pocket Option, IQ Option, and several of the other binary brokers. This trading engine is strictly for real assets using real time price feeds. Okay. So, okay, so just put together a signal for us. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to set up my broker account on Pocket Option, and we're going to actually use the bot to take some trades. All right, so let me set it up and I'll come back with a potential trade setup. I just wanted to show everybody the bot just generated its first signal when I turned it on. If you see here to the right of the screen, AXP, which stands for American Express stock, suggests a 5-minute put. However, American Express is not available currently on the Pocket Option platform, so I couldn't take the trade. All right, so let's wait for a trade that I can take. All right, another signal came in, Alibaba. Okay, it's telling me to take a put trade on Alibaba, a 5-minute put trade. Yeah, Alibaba here. So Okay, so the trade, I just took the trade. So I'm gonna pause the video and wait for the expiration and come back and look at the results of that trade. Okay, so I'm back on Alibaba and we have about 40 seconds left in the trade. So we're gonna monitor this trade and wait for the expiration here with the signal that the bot generated. As you see here, like I mentioned, Alibaba 5-minute put trade. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so great start. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and wait for the next signal. I also wanted to mention that the bot also gives us, it triggers a sound alert and a pop-up alert as well as an alert on the screen. So you don't have to sit there watching the screen. You can just wait for the alert, go to your screen, get the trade, and done. It's because it just took a, it just another alert just came up for FedEx here, a 5-minute put trade on FedEx, but FedEx is currently not available as one of the stock assets on Pocket Option. There are other uh, stock assets available. I have them listed here at the top of the chart. So we're gonna have to pause the video and wait for the next signal. Okay, so the bot just gave me a signal for Johnson and Johnson, J&J. If you look here at the right, uh, a 5-minute put trade. So I went into my account, selected Johnson and Johnson, 5-minute, make sure the timer set to 5-minute, and I just took the sell trade. So we're gonna monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. With about like maybe 30 seconds left, I'll come back to get the results. Okay, so the bot just gave me another signal here. Swiss franc JPY 5-minute put trade or sell trade. So I went to the Swiss franc JPY chart here and everything looks good. 50 SMA sloping downwards. So I went ahead and took the trade. Okay, so we're gonna pause this trade until we see the results of the next trade. Okay, so I'm back on Johnson and Johnson. The trade is about to expire in a few seconds here. Looking real good. We took the put trade, the 5-minute put trade when the bot told us to, and it actually pushed downward. So let's wait for the results of this trade. Excellent. So that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and wait for that other trade I just took to expire with about 30 seconds and come back and look at those results. Okay, so we have about a few seconds left on the Swiss franc JPY trade. Looks like that trade is going to be a winner as well. Let's wait for the expiration. Yes, that trade was in the money. Okay, so the bot is performing perfectly here. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for another setup, wait for another signal. Okay, so the bot just gave me a put signal for a 5-minute put signal for Aussie dollar Swiss franc. So I went into my account, selected Aussie dollar Swiss franc, made sure the timer is always set to the period 5 minutes, and I took the sell trade. The reason why I took the sell trade here, if you look at the 50 SMA line, it's showing a downward slope. So this suggests a bearish trend, which aligns with the put trade that I took on Aussie dollar Swiss franc. So let's monitor this trade. And I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade to see the results of the trade. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds left in the trade. We're going to watch and wait for the expiry of the Aussie dollar Swiss franc trade here. Okay, awesome. So that trade was also in the money. The bot ran perfectly. Very excited about this, launching this bot to the public. If you're interested in you getting the bot, I ask that you open an account, uh, a $50 account on Pocket Option, using the link in my video comments and or in my channel description to the my channel. Okay. Also, I wanted to make note that I've only been risking about 5% of my capital. I was able to grow my balance. You don't want to risk huge percentages of your capital, like I've mentioned in previous videos, because nothing is perfect. But I mean, I'm excited about this bot and its accuracy. But you also want to practice solid money management. Take risk only 5%, no more than 5% of your capital. That way, over the long term, you'll be able to grow your balance slowly but surely. Okay. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Like I mentioned, if you're interested in getting the bot, just open up a $50 pocket option account and I'll send you the link to the bot. You don't need to download anything or sign in anywhere. It's on an app, so it's online. So you just get the link and start trading. All right. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.